Nafi states that Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu would let his land out in Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, and during the reign of Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Usman, and the preliminary period of Hazrat Muawiyah's reign radiyallahu anhum. Then during the last period of Hazrat Muawiyah's reign, this hadith of Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij reached him that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has prohibited it. Nafi says Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu, accompanied by me, then went to Hazrat Rafi and inquired of him about it. He said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had proscribed from leasing land out. So Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu thenceforth stopped leasing out land. Thereafter, when he was asked about it, he would say, Ibn Khadij says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has prohibited it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3915.